If you're wondering how to see which contacts are ready to buy, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the easiest ways to identify your hottest leads and boost your sales. And you'll want to stick around to the end because I'll also be sharing an exclusive free trial that you can use to follow along and take action. The first thing you need to do is pay attention to engagement. If your contacts are opening your emails, clicking links, or spending time on your site, that's a big indicator they're interested. Tracking behavior like this is key to seeing which contacts are ready to buy. Our software makes this process super easy by automatically tracking who's interacting with your content and letting you know who's the most engaged. The more active they are, the closer they are to making a purchase. Next up, look at the timing. If your contact's last interaction was recent and they've shown consistent interest in your offerings, they're likely warming up to a buying decision. We'll use our software to set up automated notifications to alert you when a contact's behavior has changed, so you can reach out at the right time. Another great sign that a contact is ready to buy is their involvement with your sales funnel. If they visited your pricing page or spent time reading product details, they're showing strong buying signals. With the software we're using, it's super simple to track exactly which pages each contact is viewing, allowing you to prioritize the ones who are showing intent to buy. Don't forget to monitor any interactions with customer support or sales inquiries. People who are ready to make a purchase often have specific questions, and they may even ask for details like payment options or product features. Use your software to capture these touchpoints and tag these contacts as warm leads that need to be followed up with quickly. Once you've identified these signs, make sure to engage with your hot leads personally. Reach out with tailored messaging based on their specific interests or past actions. Our software allows you to set up automated but personalized messages that speak directly to where they are in the buyer's journey. So what's the key takeaway here? The best way to see which contacts are ready to buy is by tracking their engagement, behavior, timing, and interactions with your brand. Stay proactive and use automation to help you identify these hot leads faster. Remember, the sooner you follow up with them, the more likely they are to convert into paying customers. Be sure to check out the exclusive free trial in the description below so you can start using the software and take action today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that link in the description.